To start picking your orders, you choose Picking in the Worker dialog. When you access Picking, PeakWMS will show you different pick types you can choose. Pick type is set on the individual product. Which pick type your products are registered with is entirely up to you. When you choose Pick Card as pick type, PeakWMS will ask you to start scanning load units onto the pick card. PeakWMS sets a max of load units that can be scanned onto the pick card, but it is up to you if you want to fill up the card or not. Using pick card and load units makes it possible to pick more than one order at a time. The number of orders that you can pick at once with PeakWMS depends on the size of your pick card and load units. When picking starts, PeakWMS will show you where to go. Where to go first is decided from the sequence given to your racks and locations when building your warehouse in PeakWMS. PeakWMS will show the information needed to locate the item. When you arrive at the picking location, you scan the item. If using pick card, PeakWMS will show you which load unit the item should be placed in. To place the item in the load unit, you can scan the barcode or press the confirm button. If you are picking one order at a time, you simply place the item in the load unit. When item and load unit are confirmed, PeakWMS will show you next stop on your pick tour. As a safety, PeakWMS is developed so that it is not possible for you to scan a wrong product or load unit. PeakWMS will always tell you if you have scanned the wrong product or load unit when validating via barcode. When finished picking, as a last step, PeakWMS will ask you to assign the orders to a packing table.